How to fix Discord not opening on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get Discord launching properly again on your device. First, open your Android settings. Tap on Apps and search for Discord. Tap on it to open the app info page. From there, tap on Force Stop and confirm. After that, tap on Storage. At this point, tap on Clear Cache and then tap on Clear Data. Try reopening Discord and check if it is launching now. In the next step, if Discord is still not opening, go back to Android settings and tap on Connections. From there, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is active and try reopening Discord again. Following this, open the Play Store and search for Discord at the top. From there, tap on Update if one is available and wait for it to finish. Once updated, try opening Discord and check if it launches properly. At this stage, if Discord is still not opening, try uninstalling it. Press and hold the Discord icon and tap Uninstall. From there, confirm the uninstall, and once it is done, go back to the Play Store and reinstall Discord. Once reinstalled, open Discord and log back in to check if the issue is resolved. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. Once your device is back on, open Discord and confirm it is launching correctly. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix Discord not opening, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.